Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you through the process of enabling the share icon on Google Chrome. This feature allows you to easily share links and content with just a click. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience. If you're unsure about your version, you can check for updates by navigating to the settings. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Now scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various features of your Chrome browser. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Toolbar shortcut option. This can usually be found in the sidebar or under Advanced Settings, depending on your version of Chrome. Click on it to proceed. Here comes the exciting part. You'll see a list of options for Toolbar shortcuts. Find and select Share from this list. By enabling this option, you'll add the share icon directly to your toolbar, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. After choosing Share, make sure to save any changes if prompted. Once done, close the Settings tab and return to your browsing experience. Now, whenever you want to share a link or content from a web page, simply click on the newly added share icon in your toolbar. This will drop down various sharing options like copying the link, generating a QR code, or sending it directly to your devices. In summary, enabling the share icon in Google Chrome is a straightforward process that enhances your browsing experience by making sharing content easier than ever before. Remember, keeping your browser updated ensures you have access to all the latest features and improvements. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your browser's functionality. Happy browsing!